Hey guys, doing a video on a Stihl MS 461 chainsaw, and these are really good chainsaws. It's all you need, a 461. They are a little bit heavy, but you can use it and not be too concerned of cutting pretty big stuff. It cuts like a charm. You got to keep your blade sharp, you know that. But the 461 Stihl is a great chainsaw, and this one here has got I think I put a 26-inch blade on it, if I'm not mistaken. And we're going to fire it up. I got a couple of little pieces I need to cut down for a trail. And let's just see. Take the compression release off right there. And you push that down. So, Stihl is the way to go, in my opinion. There's other good chainsaws out there, but this is my favorite chainsaw. Got a couple more small one and a 290 farm chainsaw, I believe it is. But these are some of the best. I do need to sharpen the blade again, but that's some hard wood right there, real hard. But I hope you enjoyed the video.